Director of Product Development for Nutrition in the D. Gary Young Research Institute. And I'm excited to spend a few minutes with all of you virtually to talk about one of my favorite products at Young Living, the Bloom Collagen Complete. Now, why do we need collagen and what is it? So collagen makes up our skin, our hair, and our bones. And as we age, we have natural decline. We can see maybe our skin and our hair not being as radiant. We may have a hard time recovering from exercise. We may feel pain in our joints. Well, the reality of this is that we are losing collagen as we age. And it's important for us to supplement with collagen as we age to be able to put that back into our bodies. Now, before the natural age, humans used to consume a lot of collagen in the form of bone broths and organ meats. But today we don't consume a lot of those foods, and it makes it even more important to supplement with collagen. So as a base unit, collagen is just protein. However, it's not the same as protein that you find in maybe meat or milk. This is the protein that comes from connective tissue. And because of that, it has a very special and unique amino acid profile. It's especially high in the amino acid glycine. And this amino acid has been studied to support our natural sleep cycles. It supports creatine levels, as well as a healthy digestive system. So there's many sources and types of collagen, and we decided to use a marine-based collagen that comes from fish that are low in heavy metals and toxicity. And we are able to get the collagen into subunits called peptides. Now these subunits, they're important because they improve the bioavailability of the collagen because they're in smaller units. And studies have shown that in these smaller units, collagen peptides can support the growth and strength of hair, nails, skin, and even cartilage. So why would I mention all of these varied aspects of collagen when our product is in the Bloom skincare line? Well, it just so happens that 75% of all the body's collagen source is in our biggest organ, which is the skin. And there in the skin, in the sublayers, the collagen forms a foundation for our skin to be more elastic, more radiant, and provide a stronger barrier. So 10,000 milligrams of collagen per serving was shown in clinical studies to improve the elasticity and hydration of skin in just 8 weeks of supplementation. And it improved that at an astonishing 28%. That with the same 10,000 milligrams of collagen, there is a 31% decrease in the breakdown of collagen in the sub-skin layers. This is important because it allows the collagen to be around in the body for longer than we would have without supplementation. We also know that with these same fish collagen peptides, at even half the dose seen in our Bloom Collagen Complete, at 5 grams, we are seeing improvements to hair strength, and we're also seeing a 10% reduction in wrinkles around the eyes and the mouth. So these studies I just mentioned, they were conducted on collagen peptides alone. But we know that there are key cofactors, vitamins and minerals that support the natural production of collagen in our bodies. We know that deficiencies in biotin and zinc are linked to a lower production of collagen in our bodies. So we included these 2 vitamins in the formula. We also know that CoQ10 helps reduce the degradation enzymes that can remove collagen from our bodies. So we included CoQ10 as well. We also included vitamin C. Vitamin C is the essential cofactor to both enzymes that help produce collagen in our bodies. Vitamin C is so necessary that even taking it alone can boost collagen synthesis in our bodies. So when we combine all of these ingredients together, not only are we getting the benefits of each individual vitamin and mineral, we're seeing a combination or synergy effect of the formulation as a whole. And we know this because we tested it. The D. Gary Young Research Institute partnered with contract labs in Taiwan to do our own clinical studies. and we were able to test our own formula against other similar formulas and ingredients on the market. In an in vitro study on fibroblast cell cultures, these cells are responsible for the collagen synthesis in mammals. In this study, we found that Young Living Bloom Collagen Complete increased collagen synthesis by 5% compared to just these fish collagen peptides alone. It just reaffirms the fact that cofactors like vitamins and minerals and essential oils can improve the biosynthesis of collagen in our bodies. In a second study that we also conducted on these same fibroblast cell cultures, we saw a 17% increase in collagen synthesis compared to bovine source collagen peptides. And we were able to show that fish collagen not only is superior, but it's also more ecologically friendly. As a longtime formulation scientist at Young Living, as we've grown and expanded into more corners of the earth, we've had to partner, and we get to partner, with manufacturers across the globe. I was happy to work with the Taiwanese formulation scientists and manufacturers to help bring this product to life. And when you're working with products and scientists across the globe, you run into some unique challenges. When we were trying to figure out the flavor profile of this product, there were lots of samples being shipped back and forth from Taiwan here to Utah, trying to make a decision on what the flavor should be. I finally just said, you know, it doesn't matter what us in Utah think the flavor should be. I think that the Taiwanese members should pick the flavor because we want them to love it. So they came up with this incredible wolfberry citrus flavor, and it contains all natural flavors, no artificial sweeteners or colors. And the flavor is incredible, and we knew that it was going to be great for the Taiwanese market. Another part of what makes this flavor incredible is the essential oil blend. I think the lime oil really shines. And the lime oil comes from our Finca Victoria farm in Mexico, where they have state-of-the-art processing, cold processing, where the oils are kept fresh. And they use non-GMO seeds, they have a zero waste program, and they're very sustainable. Collagen is a staple to human nutrition. It supports our structural frame, our skin, our hair, and our nails. Now we know that over time, we lose collagen as we age and with our diet, and if we don't exercise well enough. Supplementing with collagen can improve these things, and we've seen them. And we know that in combination with cofactors like vitamins and minerals and essential oils, we can better improve these effects of the collagen that we consume. I'm grateful to share these concepts with you and to talk more about this incredible product, the Young Living Bloom Collagen Complete.